Hi everybody, it's Lori Michael again with Lori Michael Fitness, specializing in seniors in the home. And just in case you didn't know that last month, that's exactly who I am and what I do. So this month is Heart Month, okay? It's Valentine's Day, it's things that are special to you. So I wanted to have us do some exercises with Kim and myself, helping me out with some cardio exercises using bands. You might not think of using bands for cardio and only strength, but we're here to prove you wrong. So here we go.
Okay, so we do like to use the legs when we're doing cardio. The legs have the largest muscle groups, and they're going to get the heart rate up more than the arms well. All right, so let's start with a lateral side stepping. And to set up, notice Lori putting the tube on the floor. She's going to step on the tube in equal thirds. Now, if you're going to err in any direction, you want the longest part of the tube to be between your feet. Okay? She's going to bend both knees and pick up the outside parts of the tube until she's in her handles. And then she's going to stand up. So where you should feel the tension is from your hand down to your foot, that part of the tube. Before she moves, listen to the rhythm. It's going to be right, lift. Left, right, left, lift. It's 1, 2, 3, lift, and 1, 2, 3. Let's try it again. So go to the side, and 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Right, left, right, lift. So you can either think about it as naming the steps with your foot that's stepping, or the 1, 2, 3. Do a few more of those. You're going to want to do this 45 seconds to a minute, and believe me, you're going to feel the outer glutes, but you're also going to get a little bit winded. You want to constantly focus on posture, long neck, sternum up, a brace in the torso, and constant movement in the legs. Nice job. So that's our first cardio exercise. The second one would be a lunge. She's going to step out of that tube, put it underneath one foot only, equal length on both sides of the tube, and then her other leg is going to step back, and watch what she does with the heel. Look how that heel is lifted. That's very important. Otherwise, you're not going to get the bend in the knee. Now, before you move forward, you're going to bend your elbows, lifting your hands a little bit so the tube is not slack. And as you step forward, you're going to reach your arms out in front of you. And then you're going to step back again. And you're going to reach forward and then step back. Lori's going to keep doing that 8 to 10 times. What you're going to feel is a little winded, a little cardio, the right glute, and your core, because every time those arms go forward, you are feeling the result in your torso. Okay, so she'll do it on one leg, and then let's do a few on the other leg. So the leg that goes back, notice that heel is up, and it has to come up every time. So she's going to step forward, reaching the arms forward, bracing her torso. Step back, she bends. As she steps forward, she reaches the arms forward. Her sternum is up. She's moving the legs. She's using the legs to move her torso. That's where we get our cardio exercise. Okay, nice job. So you do 8 to 10 on each leg. Then we're going to do an active recovery. You're going to step on the tube with both feet, and this time the feet will be very close together. Okay? Her sternum is up. You want to set your posture. Her chin is slightly tucked. Her torso is braced, and then her arms are mostly extended. They're slightly soft. Bring the arms up and then lower them slightly, and then you're going to paddle those arms. The motion comes from the shoulder, and she's not giving in. She's not only working her core and her shoulders, but also her back, because she's not giving in to that tension in front of the arm by rounding her shoulders forward.
Never, never, never.
Okay, nice job. You'll do that 10 to 15 seconds. So to review, we have that side-stepping lunge. We have the forward lunge, right leg or left leg first, and then you do the opposite leg. And then we have our active recovery for 10 to 15 seconds.
And don't forget to drink, stay hydrated, and in the end, focus on the right things to get the right results. I can't even speak, but you know what I mean. See you next time. Leave some comments. Share. Happy Valentine's Day.